Okay, this video is going to tell you how to do a dichotomous key, and we have a couple of rules to keep in mind when we're doing it. When you're writing your questions, you should always have one less question than organisms. So in this example, we have 8 organisms, so we will have 7 questions. All questions should only have 2 answers. In this case, we will just do yes/no answers because that works well. And when you're writing the names, once you've identified the different organisms, you will always write them so they have their 2-name name. Genus first, species second. Genus is capitalized, species is lowercase. And if you're typing it, they would be italicized, or if you were handwriting, then you would underline the names. Okay, so the first question I'm going to use for this dichotomous key is, does it have arms? Again, my answers are yes or no for this, just to simplify. We can see that this one has arms, this one has arms, this one does too, this one, and this one. So I'm narrowing down already. Now I'm going to work with the organisms where it had said that yes, it has arms, which were the ones that were underlined above. And I'm going to ask the question, does it have more than 2 appendages? And that's going to narrow down again what we have. So now we're looking at this one has more than 2, this one, and this one. Okay, so now from that group that I narrowed it down, I'm going to ask the question, is it pink? Again, yes or no. So the ones that are pink are this one and this one from that group. And then working from the pink ones that I had, I am now asking the question, does it have ears? Yes or no? So the one that does have ears is this light pink one from over here. Okay, and I have named him Alienus iris, again, a 2-name name, capitalized at the beginning, lowercase with the second one, and then because I was handwriting it, I underlined both of those names. The second one was Alienus tungus. Again, I'm trying to use physical descriptors when I'm doing these, something that is easily outwardly observed. Okay, so I have kind of fast forwarded to the end here to show you the rest of my dichotomous key. So I have 7 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and I have identified all 8 of my aliens.